This short in seconds, say what matters. The Enforcement Directorate, ED, on Tuesday carried out coordinated searches at 21 locations across Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka in connection with its money laundering investigation into the alleged theft of gold from the historic Sabarimala Ayyappa temple. The large-scale operation marks a significant escalation in a case that has triggered political debate and public concern in Kerala. According to reports by the Indian Express and NDTV, the searches were conducted at the residences of key accused individuals, offices linked to the Travancore Devaswam Board, and premises associated with jewellery businesses suspected of handling or processing the stolen gold. The ED's action follows the registration of an Enforcement Case Information Report (ESA) on 9 January under the provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA). Officials believe the alleged theft involves temple gold that may have been illegally diverted and laundered through commercial channels, including jewelry firms operating across multiple states. The multi-state nature of the raids indicates that investigators are examining a wider network possibly involved in concealing the origin of the gold and converting it into legitimate assets. The Sabarimala Ayyappa temple is one of the most revered pilgrimage sites in India, attracting millions of devotees every year. Any allegation involving misappropriation of temple assets is therefore highly sensitive and has drawn sharp reactions from political parties, religious groups, and the public. Opposition leaders have demanded accountability and transparency, while the state government has stated that it will cooperate fully with central agencies. The ED has not yet released an official statement detailing the findings of the searches. However, officials indicated that documents, digital records, and financial transactions are being examined to trace the flow of funds linked to the alleged theft. Further questioning and additional legal action are expected as the investigation progresses. Think business, think BizShort, tap to subscribe.